Hello friends, in this short and basic video I'm going to show you how to write one half in Microsoft Excel. So we can see we have this fraction. So to write it you have to click on this insert tab and here equation. Now in the fraction select any style of fraction like linear fraction or this type of. So write 1 and click the second box and write the 2. Same insert equation and select this type 1, write 2 here and click anyway. You can keep anyway in your Excel document. To make changes select it and make the size, color and what you need. Thanks for watching.